What's up, guys? It's Dots Media. So today I'm going to be installing the Underglow that I got from my brother on his Honda. It's going to look sick. It's the same Underglow that I got. Let's get to it. Got the car lifted, got the front license plate on. I think that looks a lot better than that raceback license plate. Ooh, this looks good though. This is gonna be a big touch to the Honda. I'm shutting down the shop because I'm gonna be heading out tonight. Me and my brother are more likely gonna finish up the rest of this tomorrow, and it's gonna look really good. It's gonna look like the Fast and Furious car, especially with the green underglow. So, got Talon with me now. Got my car over there. We're getting started on Underglow. Talon's gonna work on the sides a little bit while I'm working on the front, and he's gonna kind of get those wires tucked. We have to clean the sides first before we put the strips on, but then we'll do that, and then we'll get to the back.
Drill a hole up there and slide a zip tie around until we see it come out there. Wrap it around the core, slip the cores in, pull the zip tie tight, and then put it.
So we just got done with the Underglow. We headed to town and got something to eat, and now we're about to head back home. It almost looks like the 93 Honda Civic from Fast and Furious. So now we both run green, and then it's the same exact kit, so we can run the same colors and everything.